I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to increase the number of communication wheel sections in Marvel Rivals. This will expand this menu from the default of 4 options to 8 options. Step 1. Launch Marvel Rivals on your computer or gaming console. You'll land on the Marvel Rivals home screen. Step 2. Click the settings icon in the top right corner of this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Settings again. The settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Click either controller or keyboard in the menu at the top of the screen to open a submenu, and then click Communication in the submenu. Communication options are shown on the lower part of the screen. Step 5. Scroll down to the Ping Communication section and then click to expand the drop-down menu next to Number of Wheel Sections. Step 6. Click to select 8 sections in this menu. Going forward, whenever you bring up the communication wheel in Marvel Rivals, you'll see that it has 8 slots instead of the default 4. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.